friends, welcome you all. Today's topic is process of communication. Simply, process of communication means transformation of message from one person to another person. Let's understand the process of communication with an example. Imagine guys, I am the sender and you will be the receiver. As I am a sender, I have a notes for taking class. The notes will be the message. And then the message will be converted into a specific format like videos, documents, PPTs. This process is denoted as encoding. The encoded information will be transferred to you as a receiver by a specific channel or medium like YouTube. The received information will be comprehended by yourself. This process is denoted as decoding. Finally, the receiver sends the feedbacks about the video in the form of comments is known as feedback. If any interference occur during the communication like technical issues is denoted as noise. Noise will disturb the process of communication. This is the process of communication. Sometimes in the examination, the examiners ask questions like rearrange the correct order of communication process. At the time, we mostly confused in arranging them in a correct order. So now let's see the simple trick to remember the process of communication order. Let's list out the steps of communication and separate the first letters. For that, the sentence, since money is essential for making research and development in food, is helpful for remember the order of communication process. Thank you for watching this video.